Okay, I am going to show you guys how to set up your classes in Planbook. I'm also going to attach the written description in the PowerPoint. So once you've created your account, it's going to automatically take you to this page. To add your classes, you hit Add Class. It already is going to have the start and the end dates based on the first and last day of school. You have this option here to color code it. I like to color code math green, so I'm just going to make this my math class. Up here where it says enter a class name, you are going to type in math, reading, ELA, writing, science, social studies, whatever the subject is. If you collaborate with your team and you want them to see this, now administration is going to automatically be able to see this. So don't change this if you don't want anyone other than admin to see this. But if you want your co-teacher or another teacher on your team, because you share lesson plans, to be able to see this, you can click this collaborate button, allow them to view it. That allows them to copy it, which is something to show you a little later. Or you can allow them to also be able to edit. If you guys work on lesson plans together, that would be a great choice. For this instant, I'm just not going to put a collaboration. And then you have to put in for every day the start and the end time. So if on my class schedule, I do math from 9:30 to 10:30, I'm going to put that here. Put 9:30 to 10:30. And it'll do it right there. And then you have this nice feature where you don't have to type that in every single day. If your schedule is the same every single day, and I think for most of us it is, you hit apply Monday times to all days. And then you only have to type it in one time, and then you know you're going to have your class every day. Math, I do 9:30 to 10:30. Then when you are comfortable with that, you just go up to the top and you click your blue check mark, and it has your class. And then you would go in and do this for all of your classes.